Hello, John from Generation Global. We're just having a look around the Oshkosh Aviation Show, and we've just spotted another one of our interiors. This is at Arcus on booth 440, so drop around and see them. This here is one of Generation Global's interior kits. This has got side panels. They were aluminum backing on them, all pre-cut, simple to install, and we've got these leather seat covers here, all in black leather with quilted stitching. We've got a utility floor mat in here with penny matting, and then we've got some rear seats. We're both with quilting as well, and it looks like we've got an embroidered logo in the headrest, and we've also got a black headliner through there, so stunning interior. And this is Arcus Aero in Texas with one of our interiors stalled. Feel free to drop around and have a look.